Hello all. It's pretty darn hot out there, and I'm just going to get down to making something simple today. This is a tong I made for a customer, a modified version of what I used to call a tusk tong. I'll show myself making one of these in an upcoming video. Good for larger stock like this 1.5-inch round. I'll also do a video of me trying to restore this severely oxidized engineer's hammer I recently found. In some of those restoration videos out there, you can tell that some pieces have been artificially aged. Not the case here, that's for sure. I need to recognize a bunch of guys for their recent generous donations. They are Sonny Mervale Belson, Daryl Taylor, Corey Backlund, Jerry S. Hodges, and Matthew West. Big thanks to these good fellas, true supporters of GS Tongs. And speaking of GS Tongs, I didn't realize this recycled piece already has my new mark on it. You can see it right about there. I'll just show doing one of these three. I think you get the idea. I need to switch top fullers as this one has a little bit of a bend in it to be used at an angle. Yeah, that's much better. I'm spraying the piece down here with WD-40 to give it some rust protection and to darken it. Not really recommended. Be very cautious if you do this. And I use this brass wheel on the hooks to give them some contrast with the straight bar. So you can see here how my general idea has taken shape. And there's the finished piece. Simple but attractive. I need to make a larger version of this for a friend who owns a coffee shop. Catch you guys next time.